If you need to recover your Tealium account but no longer have access to your phone number, follow these steps to regain access. This guide will walk you through the process. Step 1. Visit the Tealium login page. Go to the official Tealium login page using your web browser. Look for the forgot password link to initiate the recovery process. Step 2. Enter your email address. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use Essert to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Check your email. After submitting your email address, check your inbox for password reset email from Tealium. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder. Step 4. Follow the reset link. Open the email and click on the password reset link provided. This will direct you to a page where you can create a new password for your account. Step 5. Create a new password. Enter a new password that meets Tealium's security requirements. Confirm the new password and submit the changes. You should now be able to log in with your new password. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider reaching out to Tealium's support team for further assistance. They can help you recover your account even without access to your phone number.